Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here to show you this amazing townhouse. You have to see it. Let me take you around. Okay, so as you enter in through the main entrance, you're immediately met by this living space here. So this is a really great place to kind of set up, put your sofas, your TV on the wall, and kind of have a nice little cozy sit down. There's also space over here for your dining table if you want to have one. So downstairs is very much open plan. So for those of you that love open plan, this house is absolutely perfect. Now we have some storage space underneath the stairs as well. I guess if you were really interested in this house, you could actually get this closed off if you don't like it open, or you can make use of the space and absolutely put shoes and tuck little things out of the way. So as we continue to move through the downstairs here, we actually have a guest bathroom. Should I say bathroom? A guest WC really. Just very nice and simple here. So you have your wash basin and obviously your toilet, just decorated very nice and minimally, and I really like that. I got away with that one, minimally. I can't say it again now, I should have just stopped right there. But anyway, this is the kitchen space. As I said, downstairs is very much open plan, so you can kind of see all the way through. This is a really nice, well thought out kitchen. I really love this kitchen. It's got the whole black and white feel going, and it just feels really, really nice. It doesn't feel boxed in at all, so it feels like you're in a really nice space, and you have everything here. And what I love about this kitchen, let me just show you, because I was having a nose around earlier, and what I noticed was I was like, oh, I wonder what's inside this cupboard. And so I opened it, and it wasn't a cupboard, it was a fridge, both sides. Isn't that really nice? So you've kind of got a double fridge going on here, which is really, really smart. We also have our appliances here too, and we have space to go outside the back. I won't go out there now because it's raining. So now as we continue to go through the house, we have the way to go upstairs, and again, I love the kind of, I think they're called scissor stairs. So it goes up one way and up the other way. So let's head up. Okay, so as we get to the top of the stairs here, it's one floor, okay, and over here, again, we have a really nice open space area. This is really nice, and again, my favorite, ever favorite, large windows, which is absolutely amazing. And over here, we have the mosquito nets as well, so if you ever do want to get some fresh air blowing through the house, you can absolutely open these out to make use of the size of the windows. And right here, this is a really nice sized bedroom. Again, you can see the windows all the way across the room, which is just going to bring you in floods of light. This is going to be absolutely amazing in the morning. And you can see from here as well, you can open these right out so that you can actually head out in the mornings and you can sit down on the balcony and kind of enjoy the view, read a book, whatever you want to do there. It's lovely. And over here, as we head this side, okay, we have these wardrobe space. Now this is really nice because this is kind of tucked away, so it kind of gives you the feel of a walk-in closet, but it's not really because it's actually part of the bedroom, so it's really nice. We have lots of space here. We have absolutely lots of space going on, so you can fit all your clothes and everything. And then we have like the steppers as well, so you can tuck things away here. I love this space. Okay, and of course this has to be ensuite, right? We have our bathroom right here. So into the bathroom here, you obviously have your shower. So we have our shower area here, and then you have your toilet and your wash basin there. This is a big room. This is a big room, okay? Ample space here to put a really large bed in here. Really, really nice use of space. Again, really big windows, you can see all the way out, which is lovely. Here, you've kind of got this space which is sort of, it's in the same room, but it kind of feels separated. So as you walk through this way, you'll see that you have like a walk-in closet, and just after your walk-in closet, you have your bathroom as well. So in here, we have the shower area. This bathroom is actually a little bit bigger than the other one, I would say. Okay, so you have your shower area, then obviously you have your vanity unit and everything that you need in this. And then you also, from this bedroom, you also have access to the balcony area as well. So if you're a balcony person, you can absolutely just stand out here and get a nice little view. You can put one chair out there and a small table and sit over there. and mind your business. So we're gonna go up another floor. Are you guys ready? Let's go. So if you like to keep fit, this is a great house because you'll be forced to climb all these stairs unless you get one of the downstairs bedrooms. Here, wow, this is a really good space. This is a really, really, really good space. As you come through the door, you'll see that you have this massive open area here. Again, you can see all the windows behind me. This is just so fantastic. I'm in love with this actually. The windows, the fact you can open the windows, you can go head straight out onto the balcony. And it kind of almost has a feeling of being in an apartment all by itself because of the way that it's kind of structured. So it feels like you'd set up your bedroom here, and then you'd have this space to do whatever you want. You could put a sofa here, the TV if you wanted to. Then it doesn't stop. We have the closet over here. So we have this closet area, but it's kind of like, I don't even want to say strange. It's nice, it's very different. Okay, so we have it going down here. So we have right over here. So I guess this would be a great his and hers even. So we have this space, and then obviously we have this space here too. And to the side of me, this is an amazing bathroom. So this is really nice. So if you're a bath kind of person, you can absolutely lay in the bath here. You also have access to a shower as well. And we have our double sink vanity unit too. Okay, so this could absolutely be split into 2 bedrooms, okay? Because these 2 rooms seem like they're sharing, so it's kind of like a Juliet. So this is at the moment, it's made into one big massive room, but this could absolutely be split. If you'd prefer it to be 2 rooms, you absolutely could do that. So let's go out through this door. If you wanted to, so this was the original door that we came through, you could absolutely put a wall here and have this as another bedroom, which would make this into a 4-bedroom house instead of a 3-bedroom. So it's up to you how you want to do the space. So let's go up again, shall we? Okay, now as we get to here, not more bedrooms, but there is like a rooftop area here. It's raining at the moment, but you can kind of see there's a rooftop area, so you can make use of putting some chairs outside and really make it a really nice and usable space. And it's probably a really nice place to do a barbecue if you have friends over and things like that. Hi, Gina.
Hi.
So, thank you for allowing me to view this amazing property.
Sure.
So, first of all, can you tell me, where are we? What's this location?
So we are in Cantonments, East Cantonments.
And this is Hammond's Court.
Right.
Okay, so I noticed you have a few different houses in here. How many are in here?
So there are 20 units in all. There are 4 townhouses, semi-detached townhouses. There are 8 of the 2 bedrooms. There are 4 1-bedrooms and 4 studio apartments.
Okay, so it's a nice kind of mixture.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this particular house that we've toured today, how much is this one going for?
So for sale, this is 4,900. It's service charge inclusive, but it's negotiable.
Okay,
for
that's for renting.
For rent,
okay.
Yes.
And if someone wanted to buy it, is it for sale as well?
For sale, it's about $750,000.
Okay, $750,000.
Yeah, negotiable.
Negotiable. Yeah. We like the word negotiable on there. Okay, so I noticed that as I was walking around, one of the rooms seems to be really big. So that's 2 rooms, is it? And it's been opened up to become 1.
Right.
Okay. It's a really nice space. It's really, really huge.
Yeah.
So I love the way it is. So if someone was to buy this house, they could absolutely obviously separate it again, so it would make it a 4-bedroom, right?
Yes, that's possible.
So tell me about this area. What amenities do we have here?
So here at Hammond Court, we have the swimming pool, there is a gym, and then there is a bar.
There's a bar as well.
There is a bar.
I didn't know about the bar. Okay.
There's a bar.
Nice. Okay, so it's very nice for people to kind of be able to stay here and not have to go out if they don't want to.
Exactly.
So all the amenities are here.
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay. I also noticed as I came in, the front door has this thing on it. It's not a normal standard key to open the door, right?
Yes.
So tell me about that.
These are the security doors. So when a tenant moves in, we actually configure your thumbprint. You can also add a code, and then there's a key as well. So like it's very secure. You can also connect it to your phone, the camera, so you see what's happening everywhere. So it's very secure.
Oh, so there's a lot of technology in it.
Yep.
So does that mean like every member of the family would have to do their fingerprints and all that?
Yes, if that is what you want, we can put the thumbprints of all the occupants in the unit. We can configure all their thumbprints if that is what you want.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. This complex obviously has 24-hour security as well.
Right. There's 24-hour security. We have 2 day guards. We have 9 guards, and in addition, there are cameras all over the common areas that are constantly being monitored.
Okay, so you also have another apartment here as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, is that for sale or for rent?
That's for rent.
That's
the
for
one bed is for rent.
Okay, how much is it going for?
1,800.
1,800 US dollars.
Yes, please.
Okay, lovely. I love this complex. It's really nice. I feel like the space has been used really, really well.
Right.
And if you had children, they could absolutely go outside and sort of play with their friends, which makes it really nice. So guys, if you are interested in this property, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and I will put you in touch with the relevant people. If you also haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel, okay? So please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video for me. Until next time, I am out. Naughty Bye.